This is my paper circuits project that demonstrates renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Here is my grid, and here is the transmission. I have renewable energy up the top, including wind turbines, nuclear fusion, hydropower, geothermal, and solar power, as well as other forms of renewable energy that could be added. And then down here I have non-renewable energy, including natural gas, which is really anything but natural, as well as oil, coal, and other forms of non-renewable energy. And they are all attached to my grid, to my transmission, which is also attached to these houses. And you can see there's some LED lights. This is the switch. So let's see what happens when we have non-renewable energy on. We can bring the switch down to here. And you can see the houses are lighting up. And this red LED lights up to show the non-renewable energy is on, and that is bad. But what if we want to power the houses with renewable energy? No problem. We can bring the switch over to the renewable energy, and you should be able to see that it powers the houses as well. And it also turns on the green light to show renewable energy is good. The green light is a little faint, which is kind of aligned with the state of renewable energy today, because sometimes it's not windy enough or doesn't have enough solar power, and the energy storage is challenging, so we're not completely there yet. So what we can do is have our non-renewable energy grid going, but we can also add our renewable energy by hooking up our non-renewable energy grid to our renewable energy grid. And you can see what happens is they're both active, and they are both powering the grid together, and that adds another layer of power. So we can basically use the non-renewable energy when the renewable energy is not working, and then when we have renewable energy working, then we can just use that. Let's see if I can get it going to show you here, but I think you get the idea. And this project here was created by myself, Jennifer Turlick, and I used inspiration from Nicole Kelner for the illustrations. I also used inspiration from the Power Grid board game for the illustrations of the dirty energy. And you can see here that I have the non-renewable energy red light turned on, I have the houses lit up, and we also have the renewable energy as well. So that's an example of both the non-renewable energy working as well as the renewable. Ideally, we move to all renewable, but for now, as a transitionary phase, we can try to mostly use renewable, which once you get it created is cheaper to operate than non-renewable energy, which uses non-renewable resources like oil and coal that you have to pay for as you use them. But once we have the renewable energy running, we can try and mostly use that, and where we can't use that, try and use the non-renewable energy, but use it as little as possible. So that is my paper circuits project about renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Let me know if you have any questions, and hope you enjoy the activity. I think it could be a good way of learning about renewable and non-renewable energy, and welcome any questions, comments, ideas, or anything else. I had fun building this. Thanks so much.